Video, and I well, there you go. I've just been talking to the video, showing you Tractor Tom and all the crew, and it was not even on. You see, I always say to special, do check my videoing because it can be a bit exclusive sometimes. So we're travelling along, unfortunately, at 5 miles an hour here, but I'll say that there's a chicane of them. I was showing you on the video, but unfortunately that didn't quite go to plan.
We've got 3 in a row, haven't we? We've got tractor.
They're all tractors with different things on the back.
Harvester.
But that's what it's all about, you know. This is the Lincolnshire Live, isn't it?
It is.
It's always the place of the tractors, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Gosh, I could walk faster than this. Might do a power walk. Mustn't complain, special said. The privileged world, isn't it? I am.
Yeah. In farming territory.
Yeah. Oh yeah, well and truly. He who dares wins. He who hesitates, well, don't, isn't it? Would be the word, wouldn't it? Hey, look, you can see the third one there as well.
Yeah.
Look, you can see them all. All the Tractor Toms. Oh, no way, it lets him go. You travesty trotter. Oh no, he's not. We're not going anywhere anyway, are we?
No.
I just said cheers to matey. I don't know why I'm pushing in. Oh, he's gone down there. He's not silly. He's probably gone down the beach for an hour. Hasn't he?
Yeah.
Or at least thought, yeah, I'll go down the beach here for an hour. They've got to do their job, haven't they? I don't know. We're not in a hurry in a way, are we? A bit of luck, I suppose, isn't it? No way, Pedro, am I trying to take him out? Well, no.
No.
Tractor Tom's halfway in the road half the time, look. Eh? He's trying to dodge the potholes or something. I don't know what he's playing at. I don't know, the man's a maniac, isn't he? We call this following Tractor Tom, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or Tractor Tom treble.
Yeah.
Get this feeling we came back in the wrong time. Huh?
I would imagine they're going that far.
They ain't going that bad, are they? Ground control to Tractor Tom. Don't worry about Major Tom, we've got Tractor Tom here, mate, I'll tell you. 3 of them. Traffic behind, there's no way I'm trying to overtake them. Look.
Not convoy through.
This could be our most interesting video ever. Behind 3 tractors and a combine harvester. Couldn't it? Whoa. God, blimey, what are they doing now? Tractor Tom, mate. They're not just inconveniencing our side, they're inconveniencing that side.
It's because they're so wide and the road's narrow.
So, yeah, no, look what they've done to half the roads.
Yeah. It's a weight of them.
They're trying to lose a bit of bloody weight then, I don't know. Wilson's people for sale. Just don't come out because you might get tracked to Tom and his boys. They're like the effing mafia, aren't they? Ah, he's turning off, isn't he? No? Oh, God. So much traffic now behind us, look. Look in the mirror.
Yeah.
They've got to get to where they're going, haven't they?
Yeah. They're turning now.
Yeah, and we're not. I'll pity anyone going that way. See you later, lads. Oh dear, mate. Hey? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, wasn't it? Well, do excuse the bumps, some of the roads around here are not quite exclusive, are they?
All that heavy machinery on them. Back across the tarmac on the side.
Got to do the bit, ain't they? You know? So there you go, how interesting was that? So, come along the road here, we are literally 11 minutes from our next stop. I think I don't know if I'll turn this around here. This will be probably our most uninteresting video ever. Nah, it's probably you having a go at me special, isn't it?
Yeah.
I did show you 2 tractors and a combine harvester, didn't I? I mean, showing you something, couldn't it? So that was Thorpe. That was leaving the beach. That's probably the final part of a 2 or 3 part video. Yeah. You know, seen worse videos on YouTube, somewhere along the lines. But on the strength of that, there's the sign saying Maplethorpe Seafront. Sutton on Sea, it's an odd place to park, wasn't it? So yeah, on the strength of that, we will say bonjour. Maplethorpe is down that way. So is the Seal Cemetery, but we are going to Sutton on Sea this time, and we will restart when we're near.